Good morning, y'all. This is the painting I'm working on. This one was sent to me by my friend. Whoops. Hold on. It's trying to slip out. Brodie. So I worked on it yesterday. It's one of those that works up really good. So thank you, Brodie. I'm really enjoying this. I hope y'all enjoy it. I feel like I'm on here a little late this morning, but I was out picking strawberries. Let me tell you, that's a hard job. It's harder than I thought. I'm my little bed has just flourished this year. And I would rather share them than to freeze them if somebody wants them, because I feel like that way. Because sometimes you know how it is, if you freeze something, you end up forgetting it's there. But if somebody can use them, I would rather for it to be used. Does that make sense? I hope it does. I've done got one huge bag in the freezer. So I'm going to ask the lady across the way if she wants this. Because let me tell you, I've got plenty to share. And so that way, if she wants them, she can have them. And I still won't go to waste. I so thankful, Brodie, that you sent this one to me. It is so pretty. My sister always had birds. Then later on, her health started getting bad, so she quit having birds. And It is nice outside. It's a nice breeze blowing. So, I'm gonna go pay the bill. I get a bill paid off. I am thrilled. You know, it's to get a bill paid off is almost like finishing a diamond painting. So I am tickled that I am, the Lord has blessed me to be able to do this. And one reason I want to get it paid off is because the economy is a wreck right now. Whether you want to believe it or not. But that's okay. I still feel very blessed. Because I know where my blessings come from. So, the weekend is almost here. well fully. Now, I know I said I was going to have a video of me getting this one up, and I planned on it. I put the camera in the holder. I was just talking up a storm. Looked, I'd forgot to hit record. So, that's why that video was not on. Yeah. I forgot to hit record. So, hold up. My nose is... Okay, better. This is gonna be nice. Okay, let's get X12. Bright colors. I love bright colors. Can't you tell by my skirts when I show that I'm a bright colored person? My grandma she liked color. She did not like dull clothes. So, are y'all looking forward to the weekend? Or do you have to work and it really don't make a difference? I hope you don't have to work. And you can just kick back and relax. Of course, I know a few of you work at night. Me not being a night person, that would be hard. I watch DIY crafters, and I have quite a few follow, and boy, they can make some of the cutest things. And then sometimes they'll take something and I'll think, that is so cute. Why are you redoing it? Of course, I know they have to come up with content like we didn't. But then after they start working on it, it's like, wow, it's even better. So these are so pretty. I will be saving these drills because they're super pretty. Hold on. Okay, let's go with C. No, let's do F since I got some down here and I might forget them. And since there ain't that many, I'm just going to work from the container. Whoops. Well, keep dropping. I'll have to check my wax. No, my putty. I'm using the putty out of my Diamond Art club pen that Karen sent me. I see one V, so I'm going to get it while I see it. Is 9. Whoops. Oh. My lungs this morning. Oops, hold on. I see a C I missed. Not a C. Let me get this out too, because I just see another. An X. I want that out. X. Well, there we go. Finally, the fight was real. Okay. I thought I better look at that again just to make sure I'm putting it on the right one. It's almost like it's a little too late. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do something. My putty is driving me crazy. It's gotten, need to limber it up. Okay, we'll see if that helped. The constant falling off was driving me crazy. There we go. That's better. Oh, hold on. I'm fixing some. I'm having. Oh, okay. Better. Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay. Get that taken. Now, let's go with. There's a few at least. Let me get those. I have done something to my finger. to open. I'll tell you, I'm just falling apart this morning. Okay, let's do, oh. Look at that. That's so pretty. That's a burnt orange. It's number, DMC number, it's 900. That is just such a pretty color. Nope, it's still falling out. And I see 2 C's I missed. Oh, we're getting a new restaurant, a Bristow. It's an Italian restaurant. They're going to have stone-cooked pizzas, lasagnas, all the typical stuff. And it's going to open up June the 13th. Yes, that's on a Friday the 13th. But if you don't believe in that stuff, you go ahead and live your life. But anywho, they're going to, they were supposed to open several months back, but the owner was in a severe car wreck and he had to learn to walk and stuff because it did damage to his legs. And he was in the hospital for a long time. But I'm glad he's better, and because he and he's worked really hard to and I like Italian food. There's a restaurant over in Glasgow called Gondoliers, and oh, that was my sister's favorite restaurant. I haven't been there since she passed away. Just ain't the same when you have to go places like that by yourself. So that's one reason why So there's more of these than I realized. I was just going to take them out there, and it was like, no, there's quite a few. I might want to rethink that. That's totally different. So, my all-time favorite food is Chinese. I love Chinese food. But the Chinese restaurant that's close to me has gotten so ridiculous in price. I can't afford it. Well, I probably could, but you know me, I'm cheap. And I met my husband in a Chinese restaurant. Yeah, that's how I met him. He was sitting across the table, and quick as I saw him, I knew. Yep, I knew. He taught me a lot. He would be very amazed that I'm able to do this. So I'm going to stop it here. Thank you all for spending a little time with me and Bella. So, God bless you. You hang in there. Enjoy your day. And I will see you later. Bye, y'all.